Hello, and welcome to Rejuvenous TV's Skincare Academy, starring one of Hollywood's most sought-after doctors, Dr. W. Ray Henderson, and his beautiful host, Jamie Fierro. Here, you will get all the answers to your daily skincare questions. So stop aging and start living here at beautyplum.com.
Can you talk a little bit about how one might determine an individual skincare type?
Skin typing was described by Dr. Fitzpatrick in 1978 at Harvard University. And basically there's 6 skin types. Albino, which burns very rapidly, very easily in the sun. There's the white skin, the Caucasian skin, that burns a little less readily and gets a moderate tan. Type 3 doesn't burn quite so much, gets a little better tan. Type 4 is the ideal type that doesn't burn but rarely and tans beautifully. Type 5 doesn't burn at all and gets a great tan. And type 6 are black people of color.
Why do seasonal changes affect the skin?
Well, with seasonal changes you have so many different variables. You have humidity, you have temperature, you have a change in the exposure to radiation from the sun because the path of the sun is different, so we're exposed to less in the way of ultraviolet light and infrared and many other factors such as hydration, activity, and so on.
How does stress affect the skin?
Stress affects the skin because when we're under stress, our body produces a chemical called cortisol. And cortisol causes vasoconstriction, which reduces the blood flow to the skin, reduces oxygenation. Therefore, skin doesn't thrive as well. It doesn't look as buoyant and as radiant as when we're unstressed.
What causes acne to flare up?
Acne is a congenital disorder whereby people form what's called comedones. And comedones, you could remember, as plugs in the sebaceous or the oil-secreting glands. We all live with a family of bacteria, so when these comedones plug up the oil-secreting glands, the bacteria are able to get in there, they find a nice culture, and they're able to cause inflammation. And some of them are called whiteheads, some of them are called blackheads. All blackheads are whiteheads with dead skin over the top of them, but it's the bacteria that causes it.
Does an individual need to use a specific cream around the eyes, or can you use any sort of moisturizer underneath the eyes?
We don't need eye cream, but it helps. Helps keep hydration, keeps the skin full and puffy.
Does an individual really need to use a toner?
Well, the toners are very important. Most common toner is vitamin C, and vitamin C is one of our strongest antioxidants.